So proceeding on to the next question, that is your question number 27. What is correct about the nature and range of the strong interaction between the nuclear particles? Okay, so we know that strong interaction between the nuclear particles happen at very small distances. Okay, so that means the distance between the two nuclear particles should be in between 0.7 femtometer to 3 femtometers. So that means when there is a very small distance between the two nuclear particles, that is between 0.7 femtometer to 3 femtometer, what will happen? Strong interaction between the nuclear particles will take place, okay, and they will be attractive. Okay, this strong interaction will be attractive. Okay, so that means over here exploring option number A, it is attractive at all separations. No, it is attractive only at small separations. Okay, now exploring option number B, it is attractive for particles between separations 0.7 femtometer and 3 femtometer. Yeah, so this falls in the definition of strong interaction between nuclear particles, so this option is correct. Okay, so that means the correct option to your question number 27 will be option number B. Now proceeding on to the next question, that is your question number 28. We need to find out the units of specific energy and energy density. Okay, so that means specific energy is what? Energy per unit mass. Okay, what is the unit of energy? Joule. What is the unit of mass? Kg. Okay, so that means the unit of specific energy is joule kg inverse. Okay, now for energy density, we know that what is energy density? Energy per unit volume. Okay, what is the unit of energy? Joule. Okay, what is the unit of volume? Meter cube. So that means the unit of energy per unit volume or energy density is joule per meter cube, that is joule meter minus 3. So that means the correct option to your question number 28 will be option number B. Now proceeding on to the next question, that is your question number 29. What is the function of the moderator in a thermal nuclear fission reactor? So we know that the moderator helps slow down the neutrons that is produced by fission to sustain the chain reaction, right? So that means what is the function of the moderator? So that means what is the function of the moderator? To decrease the kinetic energy of the neutrons emitted from the fission reactions, right? So that means the correct option to your question number 29 will be option number. Proceeding on to the question number 30. What is meant by the statement that average albedo of the moon is 0.1? So we know that the definition of albedo, that is alpha, is equal to the total reflected radiation divided by your total incoming radiation. Okay, total incoming radiation. Okay, and the albedo in this question is given to be how much? 0.1. Okay, so that means 0.1 means how much? 10%. Okay, so that means 10% of the, so that means 10% is equal to the total reflected divided by the total incoming. Okay, so that means what is happening? The total reflected will be equal to your 10% of the total incoming, 10% of the incoming radiation, right? So that means 10% of the incoming radiation will be reflected by the moon. Okay, so that means the correct option to your question number 30 will be option number C.